So, talking about tongue, which carries taste, which carries touch, pain and temperature. So, in tongue, we divide the tongue into three parts, okay. One is the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, posterior 1/3 of the tongue and the posterior most part of the tongue. When we say anterior 2/3 of the tongue, we are excluding the circumvallate papilla. We are including the circumvallate papilla along with the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. Please remember that. Okay. So, talking about general sensations like touch, pain and temperature, anterior 2/3 of the tongue, general sensation is carried by the lingual nerve. The lingual nerve is a branch of mandibular nerve, which is in turn a branch of trigeminal nerve. Okay. General sensation in the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, including the circumvallate papilla, is carried by the glossopharyngeal nerve, the 9th cranial nerve. In the posterior most part of the tongue, the general sensation like touch, pain and temperature is carried by the internal laryngeal nerve, a branch of vagus. Okay, a branch of vagus nerve. Okay, talking about taste sensation, which comes under special sensation, the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, the taste sensation is carried by the chorda tympani nerve, a branch of facial nerve. And the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, including the circumvallate papilla, the taste sensation is also carried by the glossopharyngeal nerve. And the posterior most part of the tongue, the taste sensation is also carried by the internal laryngeal nerve. Okay, all the muscles of the tongue, as you all know, is supplied by the hypoglossal nerve, except the palatoglossus muscle is supplied by the vago-accessory complex. Please remember that also. Now you can see the mandibular nerve coming out of the foramen ovale, and it is dividing into an anterior division and a posterior division. So lingual nerve comes under posterior division of the mandibular nerve, and mandibular nerve is a branch of trigeminal nerve. Here you have the ophthalmic division, maxillary division and mandibular division. So, which of the following nerve carry sensation, carry touch sensation? Please remember, touch sensation means comes under general sensation from anterior 2/3 of the tongue. It is a lingual nerve, which is a branch of mandibular nerve, which is in turn a branch of trigeminal nerve. So, the question is twisted here. So, the answer is trigeminal nerve. Thank you.